welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this packet of cheese. So it's a Parmesan cheese, and it is from a brand known as Shullsburry Creamery, and it's Wisconsin. So it is around 1.5 cups it's written, and net weight is written 170 grams. Apart from that, over here nutritional information is mentioned over here, like how much calories you'll get, how much fat and cholesterol and carbs, whatever is there they have mentioned. Total carbs is 0%. That is really good. Whosoever is doing keto diet these days, keto diet is really famous. So you can focus on fat calories, that is 60, and normal fat 11%. That is really nice. Other than that, I want to just see from where does it belong. Over here the ingredients are mentioned. Keep it in refrigerator. Always keep every cheese in refrigerator. That is the must, I would say. And let's not waste much time. And it's written over here, it's a zip to close, so please do not cut till from here, just cut from the above, tear here. It's written over here, so you need to tear it from here, so that whenever you're using, after use, you can zip pack it and use it again and again till it doesn't get finished. So this is how the Parmesan cheese looks like, and it looks like similar to mozzarella, but mozzarella is little softer, I believe, and it is little cheaper as compared to Parmesan, and it is little salty. Very nice. I loved it. So put it in your bread or whatever you are cooking, veggies, some what it is called, salads and all, you can put them and you're good to go. So it costed me around $5.5. so you can see how costly it is, and only 170 gram and 1.5 cup, you could say, measure by that. It is 100% natural. It's written over here, it's 100% natural. That is good. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.